Going to bring you and all your friends closer to the stage to watch the rest of the show.
Thank you! I love you!
Although it's up to you if you move, because I do think you can get away with more bullshit up there, because there's more security.
That's okay.
And also, after the show, I'm going to give you a big kiss.
I would love that.
Well, thank you so much for coming tonight, and when you go home, just remember that you are my heart and my soul, and you helped to save someone's life who is living on the street because their parents threw them out because of their sexual orientation.
Thank you, Lady Gaga. I love you always and forever.
I love you too. Oh, hold on, I'm getting another call. Hold on.
Beyonce!
Oh, it's Beyonce.
Is it Beyonce?
Beyonce?